Okay, been running for a while. I've got it towards the back of the garage, so that water was there from running inside the garage. But look at the frame and stuff here. Had it running for about a half an hour. It's dry. Here. A little bit on the drain plug there, but not much. Looking up here. Sounds like I can't tell if it's a pulley. I can't tell if it's a pulley or the chain guide's breaking in. It's kind of, there's a sound and it's kind of moving in unison with this pulley. When you get on the gas, it goes away. It's only at idle. Wondering if there's a pulley going on here somewhere that's bad. It's not loud, and it does go away with the gas. So upper radiator hose dry, or lower radiator hose is dry there, and dry there. Water pump up there. Dry. So I can see down here. Cool. It might be that the tensioner is tensioned the way it's supposed to be now, and it's rubbing against the new guide, it's breaking it in. The tensioners are really, really tight when you first put the chain on, so there is a chance of a little bit of riding on the tensioner rails. And when you do get on the gas, it will go away like it's doing. So wondering if it's just the timing chain guides being broken in. Here's the top of the water pump, looking down. I had some drops earlier and I thought it was the water pump, and went and started looking and it was all dry. I'd forgot that when I took this bleeder valve out and you top it from over here, it had spilled out and a bunch of it had ran down in behind here, and then I'd sprayed cleaner down there, so when I started the car up and it got hot, it was starting to burn it out of those little crevices. So there we go.